Imagine if your IDE could think, plan, and even talk like an AI agent. Meet Kiro, the revolutionary agentic IDE that's changing how developers work. It's smart, intuitive, and built to automate, assist, and supercharge your productivity. Let's get into it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Just AI Space. Kiro is an AI-first coding environment, an agentic IDE that understands your intent, plans with you, and helps execute tasks using natural language. With Kiro, you're not just coding, you're collaborating with a smart agent that can automate workflows, structure specs, and steer AI behavior using your rules. And the best part? You can start using it for free during the public preview. Let us talk about its key features. You can plan your features in a clean, structured way that stays right in your IDE. You can use agent hooks to automate repetitive dev tasks like running tests or syncing files. You can talk to your IDE, literally, just describe what you want and let Kiro help you build it. You can control how your AI agent behaves with rules, tone, coding styles, or even project-specific guidelines. You can use MCP to integrate external tools, APIs, or databases directly into your workflow. Kiro is currently in public preview, and here's what the pricing looks like once it's fully launched. Kiro, free, $0 month, 50 agentic interactions per month, specs, agent hooks, MCP, steering, all included. Kiro Pro, $19 per month, 1,000 interactions per month, everything in. Free with higher usage limits. Kiro Pro Plus, $39 per month, 3,000 interactions per month. Ideal for power users and AI-driven teams. During the preview, you can use Kiro with reasonable limits, completely free, a perfect chance to explore its full potential. You just download and install the Kiro Create the folder and select this project folder, and you just give the prompt, .select the latest model, ClaudeNet 4. Make sure autopilot is on. You can add context and add images in this IDE. Let's see what happens when we give Kiro this powerful prompt. Build an admin dashboard with user analytics, real-time traffic monitoring, and role-based access control. This single prompt breaks down into multiple features, and Kiro's agentic IDE can help us build each part step by step. Kiro understands the prompt and builds a full-featured admin dashboard with user analytics, real-time traffic monitoring, and role-based access control. With just one prompt, you get a secure UI, live data insights, and smart access management. Let's test Kiro's specs feature with the prompt. Design a product page with image gallery, reviews, and dynamic pricing. Kiro's specs feature lets you describe a feature in natural language, and it turns that into a structured workflow across 3 spec files: requirements, design, and tasks. Requirements. Kiro generates user stories in requirements.md using EA's syntax. E.g., when a user views a product, the system shall display an image gallery, reviews, and price that updates dynamically. Design. It creates a design.md file outlining the UI components, gallery slider, review cards, price module, and back-end data models APIs for images, reviews, and pricing logic. Tasks. A tasks.md file lists sequenced implementation steps: set up gallery, load reviews, implement dynamic pricing, write tests, ensure responsiveness. Each task linked back to requirements. Let us retest the agent hooks feature. It is a small automation that says, when this happens, like saving a file, automatically do that for me. It saves time by handling repetitive tasks using AI. Create a new hook by clicking the plus button or the add hook option. Use a prompt, when I save a React component file, automatically create or update its test file. Choose what should activate the hook: file saved, file created, file deleted, manual trigger, authoritarian. Define the type of files the hook should apply to. Example, source, components, shilfites. For React plus TypeScript, For React plus Svelte or dot component sulfides propy. Blockade. Give your hook a short name, then click Save. When you save a file, like button TSX, Kiro checks, does this file match the pattern? If yes, it triggers your AI prompt. In the background, Kiro might generate or update a test file, add helpful comments, or do any other task automatically. Think of steering like a guidebook for your project, where you tell the AI what technologies to use, how your code should be structured, and what your product is about. Click on plus icon and click on steering docs and add 3 files and simple rules in them. Tech.md tells what technologies you are using. Structure.md tells how the code folders files are organized. Product.md explains your product's main goals and context. If you want to go even further, you can add more files. For example, Python conventions.md, database rules.md, or anything specific to your team. Click Add New inside the steering section to create these. When you generate specs or ask the AI to write code, Kiro will now automatically include your rules in the background and give a prompt. Make a login page. AI first checks, what tech stack are we using? React, TypeScript, Tailwind? Where should the new page go? Are there any UI, UX rules? Then it writes exactly what matches your setup. No surprises. Just consistent project-aligned code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. For more amazing AI tools, tips, and innovations, stay tuned right here at Just AI Space. See you in the next one.